In order to plan the resources needed for a project, the customer wants to calculate how many employee working days are at the disposal. Using Extension Kit, you can automatically calculate the working days in the vacation period of employees when the vacation is set, as well as the holidays that occur. This way you can have a clear picture of the resources you need. This use case is configured with Extension Kit Auto Properties module and API for holiday information that supports more than 200 countries. With Auto Properties you can autofill properties from various macro functions such as date, lookup, math, condition, text, regex and translate. Enhance the quality of M-Files implementations without coding. Go to the link in the description and start your 14-day free trial.